Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So the first step you have to do is you have to open your Instagram application in your mobile. You can see I'm currently on my Instagram profile. To be able to auto scroll your Instagram Reels, we need to actually get this new feature from the Instagram support. To be able to do this, you need to firstly click on these three bars in the upper right corner. Now you have to click on this first option, settings and privacy. Now we should be taken to this page. Just scroll down here and search for this where it says help and tap on this help. Now tap on this report a problem. Again report a problem. And now tap on this include and continue, and now you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. And now some of you might ask yourself, why do I have to come this page right here? The reason why we need to be taken to this page right here, because in here we are actually able to contact the Instagram support, and as I said before, we need to contact the Instagram support to be able to get this new feature for our account. So you just need to write something like this: I am missing the auto scroll option on my Instagram Reels feed. I need this to be fixed for my account. And now when you are done, just click on send in the top right corner, and what will happen now is that you will need to wait about 1 or 2 business days for the Instagram support to see, and hopefully after that you will get this like pop-up on your account and you can auto scroll your reels. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.